Thanksgiving, and everybody's favorite dish seems to be those mashed potatoes. I made a video a few years ago, but I'm updating it now. Start by washing the potatoes. Pick potatoes that are about the same size and use Idaho and Golden potato. Cover them with water. Cover, bring to a boil. Once they come up to a boil, put them on simmer until they are fork tender. Check your potatoes. These are not quite fork tender. They have to be very, very soft. The potatoes are completely fork tender, so I'm going to remove them out of the water and pull off the skins. I drain the hot water off the potatoes and I put them in cold water so that I can peel them while they're still very hot. I'm putting the skins on the side of my sink and then they'll go in my compost pile. As the potatoes get too hot to handle, I just dip it again. I'm removing any part that I don't want to eat. Then put it in a bowl that you're going to be mixing it up in. I'm adding a generous teaspoon of salt, and now I'm going to start mixing them up. As you can see, I have a mixture of golden potatoes and russet. That's probably one of the secrets to great vegan potatoes. And before I turn my mixer on, I'm actually just mashing it like this. If you were going to be adding some vegan butter, now would be a good time to do it. However, these potatoes are so good without the butter, why have the fat? Now you can taste the potatoes. They're already very creamy. I think the salt is at the right portion. And now I'm adding soy milk. And because I don't go through soy milk very quickly, I actually freeze mine like this. The amount of liquid you use will depend on your potatoes, and you may add more or you may start with less and see if you need to add more. So I'm just pouring that in. You might wonder why I'm mixing it in my sink. I do that in case I splatter and then I'm not getting it everywhere. Now, this is the consistency that I'm looking for. Maybe you can see it. They're light, they're fluffy, they're making soft peaks. Here's the potatoes. They are ready for your Thanksgiving table. They just have such a nice consistency. And using that combination of the Idaho potato and the golden makes these look so rich, and also the two textures of the potatoes make a perfect mashed potato. I hope you try it. I hope you love it. Please like, subscribe, and share.